How to set one name on Facebook. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can set a single name on your Facebook account. If you guys didn't know, Facebook does not allow you to set a single name. You have to include your last name. Otherwise, you won't be able to save your changes. So let's see how you can set only your first name as your default. So the first thing you want to do is head over to your Play Store and download this app right here called Touch VPN, and just open the app after you've downloaded it. Just accept and continue. Keep scrolling to the left and tap on OK. And once you are here, you want to choose your location, and you want to choose it to the available ones right here, and you want to choose it to Japan. Once you do that, you can just watch an ad to connect your VPN. Once you've watched your ad, it will give you 15 minutes for your connection, and that is more than enough time for us to change our name. So just tap on connect, and it will ask you for your VPN request. Just allow it and let the VPN connect. And once your VPN is connected, something like this key symbol will be on your navigation stop status bar. Once you do that, go back to your Facebook and come to your menu section. From here, scroll down and open your settings. Now to change your name, you have to go to your Meta's Account Center and tap on your profiles, tap on Facebook, and tap on name. Now here I cannot change my name because Facebook only allows you to change it on 60 days. So it has not been 60 days since I last changed my name. But what you basically want to do is remove your middle name if you have one, or remove your surname and put 2 or 3 blank spaces instead of these name, and tap on save. And then you should be able to only display your first name. And that's how you can set only one name on Facebook. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I will see you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching.